I have no motivation to take any pictures. I want to, I just can't. I have no inspiration. I just can't be asked to go outside, but I want to do something. We've all felt like this, some more than others, and it sucks. So it was about a year ago that I made this video, and it did kickstart some inspiration and motivation. A year on and I find myself back in the rut. So I thought it'd be a good idea to whip out the photographer's playbook again and do an exercise. Right, so I need something that I can do at home, because like I said earlier, I just can't be asked to go outside. Right, okay, this one looks pretty good. The Spaceship by Charles Harbert. 24 hours from when you start this assignment, you will board a spaceship headed toward a point in the solar system from which it's unlikely you'll return. No one has gone with you. At least no critics or art buyers, no editors or savants. Certainly no teachers. There is nothing on the walls of the spaceship, no mirrors or paintings. The food comes in tubes with barcodes for labels. There is no radio or hi-fi, no TV or movies, no games or books, no dope or alcohol either. Shit. But you can dream. All you can take with you as art or entertainment, as puzzle, pastime, or memento of life on Earth are the photographs you make in the 24-hour period before blast-off. Take the day off, at least from all that strain to make good photographs. You can take any pictures you want, anywhere you wish. May you'll make a bad photograph in a new and original way. Right, so I'm adding two constraints to this challenge. Number one is that it's not going to be 24 hours, it's going to be a 1 hour challenge. And number two, I'm only allowed to take photos inside my property. So let's strap on the GoPro, let's do this. Reflections, that's something. That's something. It's almost like a double exposure. So yeah, the photos are not very good, of course, but it's more the act of action that's the important thing here. You know, just getting up and doing something, anything really, can really help get those creative juices flowing. And you know, I find it fairly difficult myself to pick up the camera sometimes. I'm one of those types of people. Some find this easier than others. Unfortunately for me, I find it difficult to pick up the camera sometimes. But you know, even though I enjoy photography immensely, so doing some simple and accessible exercises like this one really does help. For me, it's just about picking up the camera, clicking away for 15-20 minutes, letting the flow state take hold. And you know, you could see in that video that towards the end my brain got stuck on reflections. It's only the act of doing that really creates that true inspiration for me. You know, I can't sit there and think to myself, what am I going to photograph today? So anyway, I think this is a good place to leave it. As always, if you have any thoughts, please share them in the comments below. Always happy to hear other opinions. Thank you to those of you that made it this far into the video. Honestly, thank you very much for watching. I have a couple of announcements to share with you though, excuse me. That's not one of them. Firstly, YouTube have recently blessed me with monetization. It's been a goal of mine for some time now, quite a long time actually. And I have to thank you, the subscribers, because without you, this really wouldn't have been possible, so thank you so much. Secondly, I haven't been that consistent with uploads recently. I haven't been that consistent since I began this blinking channel, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. I'm working on that. And finally, for those of you that have watched the Escaping Wuhan videos, you'll know that we've been in a kind of perpetual limbo for the past almost 2 years. So that perpetual limbo looks like it's coming to an end. That's all I want to say for now. I don't want to jinx it or anything, but things are happening. It's very exciting. It's very soon. So keep your eyes peeled. It should also help with the consistency problem. They sort of go hand in hand. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Do it. And see you in the next one.